All right, today I'm going to show you how to fix a key fob shell. This is on a 2011 Chevrolet Impala, and really it's quite simple. You can see the damaged key fob. Even on the end it's damaged. This is broken off, and I actually had to slide, the battery was not working, so I had to slide the battery in. So I went on Amazon. You can buy these just in a shell. It depends on what vehicle you have, but this will work for just about, you can find these for just about any vehicle you want. And you just got to make sure that it's identical. And, you can see that they're both the same. And so hopefully it should work out really well. Normally what you'll do is you'll put a screwdriver in, and you may need a small screwdriver. I've got these, but like I said, it's broken here. You can see on this edge, this one here, what they normally do is they'll have and you can see where it is right here, they'll have a little place right here. You just put the screwdriver in and pop it open. And again, this is just we won't even use the inside of this. We're going to use the inside of this key fob. We might end up using this. We'll have to look and see how everything fits. So again, you'll just go ahead and pop this back off. Normally there's a little gap, but again, this is broken, so there's not one. And so you just go ahead and pull this out, and then go ahead and pry get the insides to come out. You can just kind of pull it out. And then I think we'll just go ahead and try this and just go ahead and see if this will fit. You'll just go ahead and slide that in. And it looks like it's going to be a pretty good fit. Just go ahead and push it down. And it looks like we're going to be okay. What you can do is you can just go ahead and pull this part out if it doesn't fit very well. And then you just go ahead and you slide that in here, and then you can use this part. We might have to do that if this doesn't fit on. And you'll want to put the battery on. You can see here there's a place here for the battery. Just go ahead and pop that in, and then we'll just go ahead and pop the back on and see if it comes together. Hopefully it does, and we don't have to replace anything. Let's go ahead and see if you can pop it on. And it looks like we might have to just go ahead and use this. We'll have to take this. We're going to take this out. And then you go ahead and take this outer skin out, and we'll put this skin on here inside the new one. Just kind of push it in, and it should be a better fit, and we shouldn't have a problem with it. You'll then go ahead and put it into the new fob right here. Just go ahead and push it in, and it looks like, see, that's a better fit. When you're putting this back in, make sure you get it all the way secure, as far in as it'll go. And you want to look around, see if there are any gaps on there. Just push it all the way in. And you kind of have to be a little bit forceful with putting this together. You got to push it really hard and get it to snap in place. And you'll hear it snap when it goes in. There it is. I don't know if you heard that, but you got to be very forceful on this. Now you can see it's on. Let's go ahead and give it a try and see if it works. we'll go out and give it a shot and make sure it works okay. Well, we went out and tested this, and everything works really well. Again, if you ever have to take this apart, you can see this. We couldn't see it on the other one, but there's this little gap here. Just put a screwdriver in there and turn it, and it'll pop it open. Last thing you'll probably want to do is just go ahead and put this little key ring on here so you can attach it to your keychain. And we won't spend the time to do that, but thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.